Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. The first method is Quick Start. Make sure your old iPhone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Place your old and new iPhone next to each other, and once the new iPhone turns on, your old phone will detect it and show a prompt asking if you want to set it up. Now confirm your Apple ID on the screen and an animation will appear on the new iPhone. Use your old iPhone's camera to scan it. This links both devices. And follow the on-screen instructions and choose Transfer from iPhone. Your apps, settings, photos and messages will all copy over wirelessly. The second method is iCloud Backup. Open Settings on your old iPhone and tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Select iCloud, then iCloud Backup, then tap Back Up Now and wait for it to finish. This saves your photos, update them, messages and settings to your iCloud account. Now turn on the new iPhone and start the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and pick the most recent backup from the list. Then keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and charging while it restores everything. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.